Welcome. Today I'll be showing the way you can improve your incident response time and accuracy by leveraging the powerful integration and workflow between Endace Network History and our Fusion technology partners Splunk Enterprise Security and Cisco Firepower. For this demo, I'm recording all my network traffic at line rate with my EndaceProbes. I have Cisco Firepower Virtual Firewall running on my EndaceProbe as a hosted application, analyzing the traffic, detecting threats in real time, and being able to do historical playback of network traffic for zero-day update verification. I have installed the Cisco Firepower Splunk-based application to manage and report on my Firepower systems in my Splunk Enterprise Security. Both systems are fully integrated with my Endace Network Capture platform deployed throughout my network for drill down to rich packet-level data for investigations and forensics. We will be simulating Trojan malware that has triggered some CNC activity on the network against some IoT devices on a specific subnet. Admins are no longer able to log into the affected devices, as the threat has managed to change the admin passwords to those systems. Faced with a daunting physical visit to every device to manually factory reset, SecOps turns to the packet history to see if it can help solve the problem. You will see how an analyst can detect the attack and quickly investigate and remediate. I'll start in the Splunk Enterprise Security Console, where I'm leveraging the Cisco Firepower Splunk-based app to manage and report on my Firepower events. I have an intrusion events report where we can see the trend over time and breakdowns by severity, internal versus external infiltration, by target application, and then the running list of events. As I drill in looking for events on key hosts, we see a series of malware events coming from Cisco Firepower about the Trojan malware targeting the host of these IoT devices. I get into the details of one of these events. Splunk has pulled key attributes about the event, including the IP of the external unknown host. I want to drill into the network level forensics of what was happening just before and after this event, and I hope to be able to see the communication to the IoT devices so I can regain back control. With the Splunk Endace app, I have a one-click drill down in Splunk to Endace to open a network-wide search of all the traffic captured by my EndaceProbes to and from this host. In Splunk, I can adjust my search parameters or leave them as is to get a match of all the TCP traffic on port 80 around the alarm time for this host. I can view the PCAP right here in Splunk, or I can pivot to Endace Vision to gain more insights of what was happening at the network level around this system. From Endace Vision, we focus on this source-destination IP pairing and look at all the traffic happening in both directions. From the Conversations toolframe and the Traffic toolframe, we can see large HTTP exchanges hitting many IoT hosts with the same packet sizes. Drilling into the packet level data, we see an HTTP post exchange from this source to many IoT devices, where we see the HTTP protocol form fields with our valid admin user and password. As we move into the frame post, we learn that the device was logged into with our admin password, and they are now in the form to reconfigure the device and changing the admin password, which is now being reset to I have you now. We now have concrete, actionable information that allows us to quickly script and regain control of our compromised IoT devices. Since the CNC-driven password reset occurred before we were aware of an issue, obtaining this information would have been impossible if not for the always-on packet capture provided by the EndaceProbe. An investment in packet history and the integration with Splunk and Cisco has clearly paid off here, saving huge amounts of labor time that would have been required for factory resets, plus rapidly wresting control of our devices back from the threat actors. In summary, you have seen how quickly we can detect and fully investigate a threat using the integrated Splunk, Cisco, and Endace solutions. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and thank you for watching.